Hello friends, let's learn how to make a calendar and use it to view the day of your birthday. We need 3 columns for day, month, and year. Start by creating a new sheet. Double-click on the sheet name and give it a custom name. In the first cell of the first column, type the number 1. Right-click and drag down to cell number 31, then choose Fill Series. In the adjacent cell, type the word January and drag it down. For the third column, start with a desired year, for example 1985. Go to Fill and then Series. Make sure it's set to columns, and in the Stop Value section, enter 2024. Now go back to the previous sheet and select cell B2. From the data header, click on Data Validation. In the open window, choose List for the Allow section and click on Source. Navigate to the Date sheet and select the entire column of years. Repeat the same steps for cell B3, but this time choose the months column as the source. For cell B4, follow the same process, selecting the days as the source. At this stage, we give some styling to make them visually appealing and user-friendly. Now we need to create a date using the Datevalue function in another cell, using the values from cells B2, B3, and B4. Let's format it as short date, although I'll explain the steps for better understanding, and in general there is no need to do these steps. Select a new cell. Then press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. In the open window, click on Custom and type 4D letters in the Type section. As you can see, this displays the day name, which changes dynamically based on the date. Next, in cell B5, use the Datevalue function within a text formula to implement cell formatting for day name. Make some visual adjustments to enhance its appearance. Now, let's apply conditional formatting to the cells related to the month and year. Select the cells for the month and year. Define a new rule. Choose Use Formula and set the condition. If cell B5 equals Sunday, format the background color as dark red and the text color as white. Repeat the same steps for cells B4 and B5. As you can see, when it displays Sunday date, our dynamic calendar turns red. You can also change the color theme to green or any other color you prefer. Don't forget to write your birth date in the comments. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.